Are AI robots dangerous? From Skynet and Terminator to the rebellious robots in I, Robot, movies have filled our heads with the idea of artificial intelligence turning against humanity. But is there any truth to this fear? Are AI robots truly dangerous in the real world? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. The real risk from AI robots doesn't come from them gaining consciousness and becoming evil, but from factors such as programming errors, unexpected behaviors, and their potential misuse by humans. The most immediate danger is a simple mistake. If an industrial robot that handles heavy objects fails in its calculations or misidentifies a person, it could cause an accident. This danger is similar to that of any advanced machinery, but with the added complexity of AI. Furthermore, an AI robot, especially one that learns on its own, could find a way to solve a problem that is efficient but has unintended consequences. For example, if it's trained to pick up as many objects as possible as fast as possible, it might prioritize speed over safety, without understanding the risk this poses to the people around it. Finally, the biggest ethical risk is that this powerful technology could be used with malicious intent. For example, in the development of autonomous weapons or surveillance systems that don't require human intervention to operate. The danger here isn't the technology itself, but the human decisions made to control it. Fortunately, the robotics and AI industry is very aware of these risks and operates under strict regulations. Current AI robots aren't completely autonomous. They operate within defined limits and safety protocols. In industrial settings, they are often isolated from human workers to prevent accidents. In addition, an AI's learning is very controlled. Developers define the rules, goals, and limitations. The AI doesn't have the freedom to make decisions that would endanger its environment or people. In short, the danger isn't that an AI robot will become conscious or malicious, but that it's such a powerful technology that it requires very rigorous ethics, strict safety protocols, and constant human oversight. The safety of AI robots depends ultimately on the responsibility with which we design, use, and regulate them.